Welcome to JH. I recently discovered a product called CureFight, which you might have encountered through Facebook advertisements. It is marketed as a natural cognitive enhancer designed to improve memory, concentration, and general mental output. The brand asserts that over 250,000 individuals have experienced life-altering results, a claim that sounds quite remarkable. However, looking closer at the available data reveals some concerns. Primarily, there is no concrete evidence supporting these assertions, as I found no clinical trials or scientific papers associated with the supplement. Furthermore, searches on independent sites like Reddit or Trustpilot yielded no authentic or comprehensive feedback. Another major issue is the total absence of an ingredient list. This lack of disclosure is a significant warning sign, particularly for those with sensitivities or anyone wanting to know exactly what they are consuming. In the supplement industry, transparency is vital, yet it is clearly missing here. The promotional strategies also appear quite aggressive. They utilize high-pressure tactics like 70% discounts, ticking countdown clocks, and limited stock alerts. While they frequently mention the 250,000 satisfied users, verifying these numbers is nearly impossible. Customer service options are also quite restricted, as the company only provides an email address without any phone support or live chat features. Additionally, the testimonials on their official site seem questionable, featuring what appear to be stock images and generic text that lacks authenticity. In summary, while CureFight might seem like a good option, there is simply not enough verifiable information to support its claims. The combination of hidden ingredients and a lack of genuine user reviews makes it difficult to trust. If you are considering this product, please proceed with caution. It is always wise to conduct thorough research and consult a medical professional before beginning any new supplement.